Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and exciting evening tea time snack that all of y'all will definitely love and enjoy. These are delicious bread pakoras with this nice and spicy potato filling. I can't wait to share it with you guys, so let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to make the potato masala. To a nice white pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. First I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Next add 2 green chilies finely chopped. A piece of ginger finely chopped. Sauté these ingredients. Once the onions have become translucent, next I'm going to add all the spice powders, keeping the flame on low. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. So just mix everything well. Next I'm adding 4 large potatoes that have been boiled. I've just peeled off the skin and I'm adding them. So I'm just going to mash the potatoes in the pan along with the onion masala. If you don't want to do this, you can mash the potatoes outside in a bowl and just add them. So for extra flavor, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of Chaat Masala powder. This is optional. So finally, add a nice handful of chopped coriander leaves. Just give it a nice quick mix. Turn off the stove, keep the masala aside. So the next step is to make the sandwiches for the pakoda. So I'm taking 2 large bread slices with the edges. Just take a generous amount of the filling, place it on the bread. So gently spread out the filling on the bread, make sure it's nice and even on all sides. So once you spread the filling nicely like this, just close it, gently press it. Cut the sandwich diagonally. Make all the sandwiches in this manner and keep them aside. To a large bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of besan, that's gram flour, it's a 250 ml cup measurement. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about half teaspoon of salt, and about 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or Ajwain. Just give this all a quick mix. Gradually pour water little at a time to make the batter. Using a whisk will be much easier for you to mix the batter so you won't have any lumps. Don't pour too much water at a time, the batter will become very diluted. So you can see it's a nice smooth consistency. So this is how you want the batter to be. Now I'm just going to add a pinch of baking soda or cooking soda. You can also add baking powder if you have that. Mix it well. Now that the batter is ready, the next step is to coat the sandwiches. Gently drop in the sandwiches into the batter. Make sure it's coated on all sides. Gently remove it. Let the excess batter drip off. Take a wide kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the coated sandwiches into the hot oil. So you can see they instantly float. Just pour a little oil over the sandwich. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Once it's cooked on both sides, you can remove from the oil. Wow, just look at that potato filling in the center. It's a perfect snack. You can enjoy this for nice evening tea time, or you can make this for parties or even small get-togethers. I'll give you a couple of links to the other bread recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Well, these bread pakoras look amazing. I've just served it with some ketchup by the side. You can enjoy it as is or with any dip of your choice. Well, it's time to taste. Man, I have sauce all over my mouth. And these are so good. Excellent. This is so tasty. Makes it a wonderful and perfect evening tea time snack. I really enjoyed the bread pakora. Make sure you serve it nice and hot as soon as you make them, and follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.